Okay, Louisiana. So I know that we don't like our governor signing NDAs, and that's reasonable. That is a reasonable request. But there are still jobs on the line and money on the table. So what we gonna do? What we gonna do? I need to be applying to these programs. Okay, you can't fight the man with on an empty stomach. Amen. Amen. Okay. There are three companies that are bringing jobs, thousands of jobs, and billions of dollars worth of investment to Louisiana. And baby, whether you love these projects or not, what we got, I took notes. Let's talk about it. So, Louisiana has roughly 1,600 jobs that are coming to the state. Some of them are paying $85,000 worth of a salary, some are paying $95,000. This is the problem. Most people wait to apply for a job once they see the job is posted, but that's not what's happening here. You have to be trained as these jobs are being created. So I'm going to tell you what these projects are, what you need to know, where they're located, and the training that you may need to get the job. First things first, this metadata center that everybody's talking about in Richland Parish, we can talk about the drama later. This ain't their type of post. Meta is building one of the largest data centers in the world. It's going to be in Richland Parish. A data center is a facility that holds computer servers. It stores information. It powers digital services, artificial intelligence, and online platforms. The project includes major energy infrastructure investments to support operations, which you guys could be looking for jobs as that as well, because a lot of these energy companies are going to get around in on this to build the six power plants that it's going to need. However, potential career opportunities with this role is technology operations, server technicians, fiber installation, electrical work, and construction support. The certifications that can help are a CompTIA Server Plus, a Cisco CCNA, a BICSI, or a CFOT fiber certification. Now listen, you don't have to go out on your own to look for these certifications because Meta has implemented their own workforce training program that you can apply to. Amen. And they're going to train you for free. You don't have to pay them. Now, Meta did not list any salary, so I can't give you that now, but if I find out more information, I'll definitely provide it. Moving on. Hyundai Steel Mill, that's Ascension Parish. So Hyundai is investing approximately $5.8 billion into the steel mill project. The project is expected to create more than 1,300 direct jobs. The average salaries are supposed to be around $95,000 per year. The potential career opportunities are manufacturing, welding, equipment operations, maintenance, and logistics. Certifications that can help you with this role. These roles are your OSHA safety certifications, welding certifications, machining programs, and supply chain certifications. There's also a research piece that is going to go along with this. For all of the certifications outside of the research piece, River Parishes Community College has developed a workforce training program connected to this project. So you would need to contact River Parishes Community College. For the research piece, LSU in Baton Rouge is going to be developing a program for that. So for that, you need to contact LSU. I have not seen any updates other than LSU acknowledging and announcing this research program. That was maybe a month or so ago. It may have changed by now. So you go to lsu.edu and tell me what you see. Okay? All right. And the last one that we're going to talk about in this particular video is Radiance Technologies microchip facility in Ruston. Radiance Technologies is developing a $370 million secure microchip facility. It's expected to create approximately 150 jobs. Average salaries are estimated around $85,000 per year. What is a microchip facility? Well, that is a facility that manufactures specialized electronic components used in technology systems. Okay, potential career opportunities are semiconductor manufacturing, technical operations, advanced manufacturing. The training pipeline for this one is going to be handled through Louisiana Tech. Go Dogs. All right. You need to contact Louisiana Tech about their semiconductor program. Amen. Amen. Now, here is my advice that I need everyone to understand when it comes to this job game. Job searching has changed completely. A lot of you have caught on. I've been telling you guys here on the page how to do it, what to look. The old way is done. You cannot wait for a job to be posted, then apply, and then hope that you beat out hundreds of people. That's out. That's been out. Look on my page. I've told you about Trump's workforce strategy, guys. We're going to turn these on. The way that you are going to job search from now on, you are going to follow this page because I'm watching where the money is going. Or you can watch where the money is going yourself, but that's too confusing. You don't have time to do all that. All time. It's late. I'm delirious. Anyway, I watch where the money is going. I identify the skills that companies will need. Really, it ain't hard because they tell you. They tell you. And then you see who is providing that training. If you can afford to pay for the training yourself, pay for the training yourself. If you cannot, you ain't got to worry about it because the government has basically told these people you got to train your own people. So that's what they're doing. Okay? So companies announce their investments before they announce the jobs. That gives you time to look into these programs and see if you want to be a fiber optic cable specialist for the next 10 years. If you don't, do something else. Amen. Okay, now that that's over with, what I want you to do, you have a homework assignment. It's really simple. If you are in the state of Louisiana, I want you to comment your parish below. And I am going to tell you which of these three projects are closest to you and what training options you should look into. I can't promise I'm going to be doing this long, so do it while it's hot. Okay, bye.